guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Yas. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you're returning, welcome back. So it is currently 7:05 in the afternoon, and yeah, y'all finished this style in like an hour. So yeah, it's a 13x4 curly lace front wig. I got it from Shein. The wig link will be in my description box below. So yeah, y'all, the wig was 26 inches, but it really was just giving 24, but whatever. So yeah, y'all, this is me showing y'all the lace. It actually looked pretty good. I didn't pluck it or anything. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't do nothing to this wig, honestly. I just was trying to put it on and do what it do. So yeah, now I'm finna cut 3 little slits in my little lace or whatever. Y'all, I really didn't do too much on this install. I wanted it to be simple as possible. So yeah, after the 3 little slits, it was time to apply my adhesive spray, which I'm using by Even, and I'm also using the popsicle stick to like smooth everything around. Y'all, I love this spray because it works so good. But yeah, now I'm just sticking the lace to my forehead, applying that pressure. Y'all, I'm looking this way because my mirror is that way, just so y'all know. But yeah, I'm just sticking it down, making sure everything's in place, and then I'm going to take my lace band and tie it down for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's dry. So it's dry, y'all. Now I'm gonna get ready to cut this lace off because I don't need it. So yeah, I just took me some scissors, and I'm not cutting in a straight line, but it looked like I am. But yeah, now I'm about to get the rest of it off, or at least try to. Y'all, I'm not a professional. I just do what works for me, honestly. I'm learning new stuff every day. I'm getting better. Of course, I make mistakes. But yeah, I think I actually did good on this install. But yeah, I'm using Pump It Up Spritz just to lay that lace down more. You feel me? And yeah, it actually made it look better, to be honest. I know y'all see that. So I cut everything off. Well, I made a TikTok, so I ain't filmed that part. But yeah, now I'm finna party. Honestly, I didn't know what style I wanted. I knew I wanted to do the claw clip style, but then again, I wanted to try other things as well. But yeah. So I took my pressing comb just to straighten the part that I was gonna be, putting towards the back, if that makes sense. Honestly, I need a new hot comb because this hot comb barely gets hot, but it did somewhat something. So yeah. So y'all, I attempted to apply some makeup to the lace because obviously it needed some, but this makeup was terrible, y'all. Just so y'all know, I was in the moving process, so I didn't have none of my makeup supplies. I didn't have anything, no bleach, nothing. But yeah, onto the edges, because we need some edges to cover up, the perimeter of this head, because it wasn't looking too good. But yeah, I'm just putting out the hair, separating them. Yeah, y'all, I finessed the look for sure. Now I'm just doing a little claw clip style. And when I tell y'all, it was not easy. Like, I had to speed this process up because it took me forever to straighten it, to get it correct. I also used mousse to help slick down the hair a little bit. because as y'all know, this hair is curly hair, so it was kind of hard when my press to comb was barely working. But yeah, I feel like I'm talking too much, so let me just let y'all watch the video. So y'all, this is how my edges came out. I really liked them, honestly. I wanted to do dramatic, but it wasn't working out. So yeah, I came up with this, which was still cute. So now I'm doing the other side, and I want it to look exactly like that side because, you feel me, I am a perfectionist a little bit. Like, I want them to look somewhat alike. They ain't gotta be twinning them, but you feel me, at least be sisters or cousins. They ain't gotta be twins, but yeah. Finally, y'all, this style was giving very much natural. Like, this style was very much me. Like, it fit me, it fit my head, it fit my face, it fit my personality. Like, yeah, it's giving I want to go on a trip. But like I said, y'all, I'm not a professional, so this is my second install on myself. But I think I did a good job. If you think so too, let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, now I'm just wetting it with some water, and it got like 2 pumps of mousse in there. And yeah. And that's the final look. I look good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I started to feel myself a little bit. Like, I'm looking like that one. Hey, like, what do you do, girl? You looking cool, girl. Come and be my new girl. Y'all, exactly what he said. So in love with you.